What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. And today we are showing you things to do in Atlanta, Georgia. If you're a hiker and you like outdoors, this is the perfect mountain for you to come out and hike at. We are currently at the Kennesaw Mountains. So we just hiked about 40 minutes in the beautiful weather in Atlanta. Even though it's during quarantine and it's a lot of stuff going on, there's still a lot of things for you to do outside safely. Okay, so I want my cameraman to take a pan of the beautiful scenery. Alright, so remember to comment, like, subscribe. More things to do in Atlanta. You guys check it out, okay? We're going to finish this hike. Got some more to do. Peace. What's up, you guys? It's your boy Geppetto here, and we are currently at Kennesaw Mountains. During social distancing, we are still getting it in. We made it to the top. My legs are burning, my hamstrings are burning, my booty's burning, but we got the fitness in. Yo, Georgia is such a beautiful place to live at. There's so many mountains. You have the Stone Mountain, you have Kennesaw Mountains. There's a lot of things to do. So when you get a chance, comment, like, and subscribe. I'll be posting more videos for you guys to enjoy. Remember to email me, DM me. Got more exciting stuff coming for y'all. I'm gonna just leave out with this beautiful footage. We getting it in all day, every day, okay? I made it. All right, peace. All right, you guys. So we made it to the top. We are beginning our descent back down the hill. I'm saying hill, I'm talking mountain. I'm delirious, you guys. So as you can see, there's still some people out here. Just make sure everyone is social distancing. Oh, don't catch me about to fall, bro. No, you can't catch me about to fall. Oh, shit. It's a beautiful day out, but like I said, there's tons of things to do during the quarantine. You just gotta be safe about it. The wind is fantastic. It's supposed to be like 90 degrees today, so I need better shoes. All right, you guys, we're about to get it in with this workout. This is like the base. I don't even know what this part is, but it's the top of the mountain, and it has like 3 levels essentially. But yeah, we're just gonna do some quick calisthenics, some sit-ups, some push-ups, some resistance bands, and all that good stuff, okay? So yeah, we're on our way down the mountain right now. Tune in. I'll let you guys see the result when we reach to the end, all right? Stay tuned. All right, welcome back, you guys. This is Views from Kennesaw. We made it up the mountain. Now it's time to go back down. We've been here about like 2 hours now, but it's time to eat. It's getting hot. There's a whole bunch of people out here. I thought we were all quarantining, but it's still time to get it in. We did some personal training up here on like the midway top. It's like a little flat surface. We brought some yoga mats, some gym mats, and we got it in with some resistance bands. You can work out wherever you need to work out. And yeah, it's just time to get it in, eat some food. We're starving. We've been here for a minute now, but yo, Georgia has so many beautiful mountains. If you're a hiker, if you're an outdoorsy person that wants to get more active outside, it's time to do it. Just remember to wash your hands and try to social distance as best as you can. We're almost, well, no, I'm lying. We're nowhere close to the end of the mountain, but come on, you guys. It's a beautiful day for a hike. See, every time I start to get lazy, I'm seeing older people, some really heavy set people, or some young kids getting it in. So even though I haven't hiked in a minute, I'm gonna finish this hike. So come on, y'all. Let's go to the bottom of the hill. I need boots, y'all. Who told me to hike in shoes? Man, all right, come on, y'all. Come on. I'm gonna need a pedicure, a freaking Epsom salt for my feet, because I am hiking in the wrong shoes. So you guys, when you hike, wear boots. Wear boots, you guys. Oh, you got on sandals. Okay, now you see? Exactly. All right, you guys. As you guys know, don't fall, bro. Going down is always much easier than going up. The going down part is the piece of cake. So this is not that bad. But yeah, I definitely suggest that you guys get some boots, because hiking in sneakers is not the business, okay? I'm just ready to get to the car. All right? So come on, y'all. We still in here. Come on, Kennesaw Mountains. Come on, y'all. What? Okay. It's cooled down significantly since we hit the top. It's a lot of breeze, you know, it feels pretty good. So you guys just, you know, this is like perfect if you're a hiker, you're an outdoorsy person. You just keep on going. People bring their dogs. People just get their fitness in. So come on, you guys. We're almost there, almost to the bottom of the hill. We did it. Continue to social distance, but get your fitness in. So come on, let's go. This trail is no joke as far as like the rocks and stuff. So be careful when you guys come out. Oh, I'm sorry.
I'm being careful too, Dad.
Oh! It was both for you guys and for my subscribers. All right, y'all. All right, you guys, there's a whole bunch of beautiful people we're meeting along the way, but come on, almost done. Let's get it in. I low-key just want to run down the hill, y'all, at this point, because, you know, going down is much easier than going up, but still, let's get it in. Come on. Let's get it. Let's get it. All right. And I noticed quite a lot of people go up and down the hill, the mountain in like one sitting. That's not gonna be this time. We're doing this one and done. So come on, y'all. All right, y'all, made it to the end of the hike. We got it in. Whew, I'm tired. My legs, my booty, my back. It's time to eat. It was about 2 hours. I'm done.